How's it going, guys? It's JC from King of the Coop. You saw Christopher, my son, he was working on the dryer. It's a Whirlpool dryer. We bought it used from a guy from Minnesota, right? Something like that. And it's an older model. And here's the band. The band got busted. So I was out looking for this morning. In the morning, I was out looking for the Whirlpool new band. I got a US made product right there, US made, because there was aftermarket. This one's 18 bucks. Aftermarket is $12. I went ahead and bought the US. I didn't want the aftermarket Chinese because I don't know how long it was gonna last me. So that thing is like about 20 years old, right? So hopefully that's another 20 more years. So we already repaired it once. Took out the heat. The heat, I don't know, the one that creates the heat and blows all the air. You know, the blower. And that was it. And then this time it's the band. And we fixed that one about 4 years ago. The heat blower thing. I forgot what it was, a resistor to make heat and blow the air. Well, here it is. Christopher's fixing it. You know, want to save money, do it yourself. It's very simple and easy. All right. So Christopher, here you go. Get to work.
The guy made it look easier. Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to
pull on it. Alright, I got it.
You got it?
Yep. Is it in the line?
Yeah, as long as it's in there.
As long as it's there, it's good.
Okay. Spins, guys. It spins. Okay. Cost 18 bucks. They had an aftermarket for 12 bucks. Didn't care about that one. When it made in USA, another 15 more years in this Whirlpool dryer, and $18, and then time was about 20-minute driving, and then just to labor it on the labor cost was $0, right, Chris?
Yep.
Did you learn something?
Yeah, it's real easy.
Easy. That's it for us on King of the Coop, and see you next time. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and don't forget if you want to help me support me in this channel, my PayPal link is right down below, and I'll see you next time in another King of the Coop. And if you like this video, there's other videos when I first started. You can check it out and just like, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, see you next time. So here you go. So Christopher, here you go. One more time. So Chris, get to work. I'm gonna throw it at you.
Oh, I see. Ready?
Yes. Why are you taking that out?
Cause I don't want to hit my fucking glasses.
I'm just gonna throw it like this. You're just gonna catch it. Oh, this guy.